Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you what's up friends. Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project under your repository on GitHub. So once you're inside GitHub, you want to go ahead and access or locate that repository. So on the left hand side, I'm going to click on this repository right here. And to create a project, just simply click on the projects tab right here. And here you can create or link a project. So I'm going to do a new project right here. And from here, I'm going to just go ahead and just choose whatever. So let's say I want to choose team planning as an example, right? I'm going to just use that and just simply click and create. And as you can see right here, I have done create that project. So this would be the current project, and you can always change or rename the project title here because as you can see, created with untitled, so you can click on that. Here is a project name and you can see that it's untitled. You can go ahead and just change that. I'm going to just change that to my project, for example. And you can scroll down and click on save changes. And that's it, guys. That's how you easily go ahead and create a project, and that's how you can change the project name as well, the project name as well. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.